Say hi to the camera, Bree. Say, I'm vegan. I am making a salad freestyle, adding whatever we have that's fresh in the fridge. I know we have fresh mint. I know we have the fresh tomatoes, fresh celery. I'm gonna add kidney beans and garbanzo beans. And I'm also air frying some beautiful peppers to add into the salad. So I'm gonna peel them. When they're done, they'll be roasted, which is yummy. 27,647 different combinations that you can make salad. In other words, endless. Comes from nice tomatoes from the ranch market. Really helps to have a sharp knife. Rinse the kidney beans, drain the water so you don't have gas. I tried the old buy the beans in bulk and soak them and cook them. For me, it's not worth it. But if you buy good quality beans in cans, it makes life a lot easier. These are S&W beans, and I think they're much better than Hanover or the other brands that are available in my Ralph's. Oh, smell that. I just love the smell of fresh mint, and it's just so wonderful. I just love it. It reminds me of my grandfather's farm. So I've got almost enough mint right here. You know, add enough so that you can taste it, but you don't want to overpower it. And then wash it off because it could be a little dirty. Put it back on the chopping block. It's all fresh mint going in there right now. Boom. Apple cider vinegar. You don't have to put just one kind of vinegar in. I'll show you exactly how much to put in now. That much. And also some red wine vinegar. I love red wine vinegar. It just reminds me of my childhood for some reason. All right, here's exactly how much you add. Boom. That's it. I'm just lately enjoying walnut oil a lot, so let's add just a little bit. And let me show you how to pour oil into a salad so that you don't overdo it. Just get a little bit coming out, and then just dribble it on so it doesn't all go in one place. Look away now. I'm showing you a secret. You can't tell anybody. This is just a little bit of sugar that we added to sweeten it up. But processed foods have tons of sugar, so as a vegan, don't hesitate to use sugar. Just use it in moderation. And also, just because we add sugar doesn't mean we don't add salt. And if you use salt, make sure you use sea salt, because processed salt is not good for you. But sea salt is good for you. So what else are we gonna add to this? Let's see. How about a little pepper? This is good on its own or in a bed of greens. You can add this to a burrito. This is a snack or a meal. This could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. There's no more rules as to when you eat certain things. These peppers are telling me they're ready, and I'm telling them to go back in there for a little bit longer. I open them up so they can cool off faster. I'm always impatient about getting these to cool down so I can be on the golf course faster. I got a great deal on these peppers. I bought them for 99 cents a pound at the ranch market here in San Clemente. Great place, check it out. So let them sit for 10 minutes, go read your horoscope, and then come back and we'll do it. My dog is waiting for her dinner, and she smells good vegan food, and she's getting insistent, and she's very bossy. I'm an onion freak, so let's use a nice crunchy red onion. We use about half of this. It'll just kick it up a whole nother level. This will be the perfect amount of onion for that salad, and I like it finely chopped. Let's start peeling these peppers. They're a little bit cooler. Okay, so we're just separating the skin from the pepper. They're easier to peel when they're just a little warm. Just do them one at a time and then stack them up on the other end of the cutting board for the next step. It's coming along very nicely. My mouth is starting to water thinking about how good this is going to be. I got red, orange, and green. They all taste different, yes, but they also look different, so it can be quite exciting. Okay, now you decide how you want your roasted peppers to be sliced. I like my roasted peppers sliced in strips. They don't have to be stacked up, but it's just easier when you do lots at once. Look at that. Look at all those little fillets of pepper. Let's just fold it in with the onions. Can't wait to taste this. There's more protein in this bowl than there is in whole Christmas roast beef. This is my favorite part. Taste test. A little bit on your plate. That's good. I think I have fresh dill in the refrigerator. Dill is an amazing spice. I just love the flavor of it. Add lots of dill to your salads. You'll be amazed. So there's not a lot, but let's chop it fine. Silly dillies. Bam! Remember that guy? 4 stars. There we go. We've got this beautiful salad, hearty part and nourishing part, satisfying part of your vegan adventure. It's very hard to go wrong.